Okay, for example 5, we're going to multiply some numbers using scientific notation. And let me just give you a multiplication rule for this. So if you have a times 10 to the nth power multiplied by b times 10 to the nth power, you're going to get a times b times 10 to the n plus m power. So you're going to multiply the two abscissas to get a new abscissa. You're going to add the powers of 10 to get a new power of 10 when you're doing scientific notation multiplication. Okay, we're dealing with larger numbers like this, and we're going to use scientific notation to do it. First, I'm going to convert the numbers to scientific notation form. So,
we just multiply it and change it to...
I want you to use scientific notation to multiply. All right, so 26,000. 26,000 is going to be 2.6 times 10 to the what power? 4. And then we have 3,500,000 is going to be 3.5 times 10 to the what power? 6. Perfect. All right. So I'm going to do over here, I'm going to do 2.6 times 3.5. That's going to be 0, carry the 3. 10 plus 3 is 13. That's 18, so 8 carry the 1. 6 plus 1 is 7. We get 910 with 2 decimal places, so 9.10. So 9.10 times 10. And then we're going to add 4 plus 6 to make 10. As long as this number is between 1 and 10, you're done. Okay, if that number is not between 1 and 10, then you have to modify it to a good scientific notation answer. This is the final answer here. Make scientific notation, multiply the abscissas, add the powers of 10. Again, as long as that's between 1 and 10, you're good to go. Let me throw a what if at you real quick. What if you do all this work and you end up getting an answer? So this is something different here. Suppose you multiply 2 of these scientific notation numbers, you end up with an answer that says 13.7 times 10 to the 9th. Let's say we have that. Okay? So you do one of these problems and you get that answer. Is that scientific notation? No. What's wrong, Maverick?
Nothing.
You good?
Yeah.
Sure?
Uh-huh.
Right. It's not scientific notation because 13.7 is not between 1 and 10. So now I need to make scientific notation out of this answer. So I'd make it 1.37. Again, same idea as before. I need to move the decimal point 1 space after the first non-zero digit. To make that happen, I made 13.7 go 1 decimal place smaller. So I got to make this power of 10 1 bigger. All right. They already started off the power of 10, which is 9. 9 plus 1, the number of decimal places I moved it over, makes 10. Okay, that could happen when you're multiplying numbers in scientific notation. You might get a non-scientific notation answer that you have to convert to get scientific notation answer.